This how to 1 minute will show you how to unlock a domain on GoDaddy. First of all, log into your GoDaddy account and click on your profile name and click on My Products. Here, click on Domain, and this is the domain I want to unlock. So I'm clicking on Manage, and now you have to hover over on this left-hand menu, then click on Portfolio. Then you will jump into domain portfolio page. Here select the domain that you want to unlock and click on lock, and here you have to select turn lock off and click on continue, and that's how you will be able to unlock your domains on GoDaddy. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.